Well, welcome back to Harvey's cooking channel with Brava. I'm going to make myself a sandwich, but I need to cook 2 eggs. So I'm going to show you how to cook simply 2 eggs with the Brava, okay? So we all know I do everything live. That's my channel. We do everything live, so if I foul up with the Brava or anything I do, it's to show people that you can go around it. So we're going to go to cooking. And we are going to go to eggs. And I'm going to try fried eggs, okay? No browning. Now I'm going to go classic fried, okay? Now we're going to do that. We're going to go add eggs to egg trays, 2 eggs, not a problem. In the box, it tells you in the box. Alright, easy over hard, over easy. Alright, that sounds good. Default, I'm not going to change, plus or minus, and it tells me put eggs in the top shelf. I want to show this. Now it tells you to put eggs in the top shelf. We're going to put the eggs in the bottom shelf, just to show you how smart this oven is, okay? We're going to go further. 2 eggs, and it tells me stop cooking. It's in the wrong spot. I need to put it in the right spot. So we're going to go up to the top shelf. So it's a very smart oven. Gotta do this all over again. So let's go to eggs. Fried, classic, 2 eggs, over easy, time we're not changing, top shelf, and we're going to push. 3 minutes and 15 seconds, so I'm going to let it run. I may fast forward it. I'm making myself a sandwich. Anyway, I didn't get bacon again. Oh man, I didn't get bacon. I got cheese, but I don't have bacon. I do like these rolls. They come from Long Island, and just a simple little fact. Do you know why Long Island pizza is so delicious? Answer is, it's because of the water. It's probably partly nuclear due to the Brookhaven National Lab. That's a fun, true fact. You need to look that one up. Brookhaven National Lab has a nuclear plant. And for many years, it leaked water. So they started getting cluster cancer cells, small children and all that. Now, so they wouldn't get sued because they were proven that the water is contaminated, and they contaminated a lot of the water. They got out of the lawsuit by putting city water in. Yeah, baby. Then again, that's how the public gets fouled up. I guess if you're rich enough and you know the right lawyers, you can get out of anything. Anywho, I'm cooking eggs for my sandwich, and this video is just strictly on cooking eggs. So, I always voice my opinion. Always did, always will. That's what happens when I teach. I go off on tangents. So we're at 2 minutes and almost 45 seconds, and I want to show you how perfect these eggs are going to be. So I guess I'm going to let it run the whole amount. I haven't eaten all day. It's almost 8 o'clock at night. So I need to eat. Been busy. And also, don't get old where you need glasses. There we go. We're going to say done. I love this oven. I love this oven. I really do. I really do. Look at these eggs. Oh, look at those eggs. Oh, I keep saying they need to put a smell feature into this thing. Look at these eggs. Yeah, baby. Alright, guys. I'm going to heat up my bread and melted cheese. But this was really on cooking eggs. So it's that quick with the Brava oven. You guys take care and subscribe, and you're going to watch. I'm going to cook some pizza tonight. I'm going to show you how to cook frozen pizza in less than 13 minutes, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Y'all take care.